I got it, mommy. While I'm doing my video. Where is it? Where is it?
I told you we could do letter you give for somebody. It's mine.
I'm not. It's going to Sabah. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment. All the above.
I don't know what you're smiling at, watermelon.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? So, yes, I did finally get these damn sneaks in, boy. Oh, my God. I'll tell you about them in a second. But first, you know what I'm saying? Airplane wear. Airplane and, well. Anyway, first off, yeah, I got to pick up from Vandal NY. Boom, first off, boom, got that Vandal tee, black. This is Master Phone Positive Galaxy. Shout out to my boy, yo, Noel. Remember you was like, nah, I don't think I'm gonna go with the OG this time, I think. So I had to, you know what I'm saying? But don't worry, I'm gonna rock this in DR, so we all good. And then, this the t-shirt with the Penny logo that glows. I rock these with them retro shorts, baby. Next up, I got joggers, and I got the hoodie. And both of them glow, so, yo, I'm gonna be up on that plane, so glowing. He go there all the time, yeah, I'm hyped, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, be happy for me or who cares? You can check out these shirts at Vandal. I'll put the, no, I won't. There's no promotion, but yeah, just check out Vandal, you know, it'll be there. I got a shout out into the AM. You already, you can use my discount code WAVY80 or use the link in the video description below and save. They got the tees, the hoodies, the joggers, the day short, all the above. Matter of fact, check them out. They do have a memorial sale coming up. And speaking of sale, I got a giveaway coming up. My bad, I ain't gonna shout your name out, but you ain't hit me up. So that $100 gift card is still there, and whoever, I can't even do a right clip for this. I'm be looking like one of y'all that be biting the mob style edits that, you know, don't really rock it right. Here you go for this one.
Somebody stuffed a large amount of cash into one of the collection boxes?
Yes, whoever copped like that, you know, put the mother load down, hey, you made it possible for me to get another $100 gift card that I am going to throw in the air. We're gonna figure it out. Y'all want one winner or two winners? Let me know in the comments. But again, you know, whoever wins on that video, matter of fact, this video right here, $200 giveaway. Yeah, you gotta be subscribed. You gotta like the video, drop a wave in the comment and let me know, put one or two. That means one winner or two winners. And I'm gonna select the winners. When am I gonna select the winners? I'm gonna do a video. This is something that I've never done. I'm gonna post a video when I'm down there. Pause. I promise I'm gonna get to it. I saw the Jordan lineup for the holidays. Y'all gotta check out that video and the winner will be announced in that video. You got to get at me though. If I call you out, yo, you got to get at me. You know what I'm supposed to, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can comment and think, no, you got to get at me. You follow the channel, right?
Barely.
So yes, finally got him. The New Balance Baklava. Amazonia. 990 V6 inside the box. There it go. But you know, who really care about the box because the box can get messed up. But yeah, you got your Baklava lettering right here. Paper's pretty cool. Yo, these took a hell of a long time to come through. I think I hit on these, and shout out to my man, Mike Capone. I hit on these like April 19th or 18th, and I just got these joints like May the 8th. The tracking on these was wild. Them joints went to Louisville, Kentucky from like New Jersey or something. It went to Kentucky, and then I was like, oh man, they playing. And then the day before yesterday when they were supposed to be out for delivery, I get that note talking about, yeah, we tried to deliver to a bodega from 7:30, maybe 11. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, so open up these joints. Let's check them out. I did check them out yesterday, so I did get the B-roll. But yo, this colorway is nice. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so these the 990 V6 Baklava Amazonia from Action Bronson. These sneaks did not come with any other pair of laces, but it did come with two tags that will be removed swiftly. I might route one now, just like me looking all dingy and stuff, but yeah, no, the joints all right. All right, so anyway, man, we're gonna take it to the sole. Boom, New Balance 990 sole right here. Black color blocking down here, cream right here. You got gray, translucent, I say like a baby blue, sky blue, one of them blues, Bama blue, or your black color blocking right here. You can see your New Balance logo right here, New Balance lettering right there, Endurance lettering right there, and in the cream, fuel cell. Yes, sir. So we're gonna take it to the medial side. Medial side. You can see it to the black sole, that translucent sole, and black right here. High mid sole, kind of light gray or tannish. And then the upper is suede. Check the movement. Movement is crazy. Tan suede right here. In the light, it does look a little darker, but I just believe it's kind of like heavier right here. Tan suede right here. Move it on up like the Jeffersons. You got your purple. New Balance logo, and it's 3M. You got your hot pink mesh right there, 3M right there, and up here, also your eyelet area. It is like a greenish blue. I'm not too good with my color. That's why I should never go to LA. And you got a little purple colorway up here. Take to the lateral side. Side gets all the what? Same as the medial side when it comes to seeing hits of that sole. You got your black, you got your translucent right here, black again, gray high midsole right here, kind of light gray, a tannish, and cream right there. Got to keep that clean for real. Take to the upper. Up here you got your suede and that tan. 990 numbers right there in the circle. Take to the upper, you got your New Balance logo. That is 3M, surrounded by that light blue. Purple color blocking right here. You got your hot pink that pretty much sets it off. 3M right here, 3M right here. Greenish color blocking right there in the eyelets, and got your purple right there. We'll take it to the toe box. Boom. It's not gonna really crease, but it's not gonna look like this like the whole time. So yeah. But anyway, your toe box, you see hits of that sole. Got that tan suede right there. 3M, that hot pink. You got purple. New Balance logo right there. And 3M surrounded by that purple. Leading all the way up. You got the tongue in maroon. 3M area right here. New Balance logo right there. And Baklava in blue. I do like how they came real colorful with this. The hot pink, that purple really, yeah, sets it, but that maroon's cool too. And the maroon's all inside the sneak. Take it to the back of these girls. Boom. See that big ass sole right there. Black sole, cream. Help me out with that color right there. You got your end cap lettering right here. Tan suede right there. Made in USA. Black color blocking right here, kind of like plasticky material. You got your flag all the way up to the top. You got that soft mesh area. It's like a tan, I guess. My colors are bad. Then you see burgundy surroundings. Then you got your 3M right here. Will he do it? Will he do it? Yeah, he better. He better, because it's looking good. You got your black insole, Baklava lettering, and New Balance in, I say neon green. It does look like it's supposed to glow, but if you turn off the light, it's a no. You know what I'm saying? Oh, one thing that I always forget about, the laces. I say black and burnt orange. Did y'all end up hitting on these, and was you angry about the delivery date? I thought these joints was not gonna come through before I dipped. I was like, yo, that's crazy. But yeah, nah, I like these. Even though at first I was like, yo, this is fall, but I think I wanna throw something together in the summertime. If I had enough time, I would probably bring these to DR, but I ain't have enough time. Oh, but yo, shout out to Jana, Harlem's finest Jordan. You put me on to a cap that will bang with this joint. Oh, and matter of fact, shout out to you. Use the one that enticed me to cop. My man Kareem, because if you watching this, you'd be like, yo, hold up. I said that, yes, you did send me that joint, and I almost want to say Zach did too. I almost want to say, I believe Zach did too, because he got the eye and he been having the vision since Kaliko, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, shout out to you. That joint is going bang. So anyway, give y'all a few more looks. Let me know if y'all cop. Last time I checked, resale ain't nothing crazy, but yeah, this is a clean joint for me right here, for real. Anyway, man, about to do this top 5 best on foot. I was only gonna do like 2 little joints.
Pause, all right?
Because I want to get up out of here. And matter of fact, I'm about to go to work. Don't forget that giveaway. Yes, the giveaway is gonna be in the next video. So to enter, you gotta be subscribed to the channel, hit that like button, drop a wave in the comment, and let me know 1 or 2 winners. And we go from there. But like I said, you gotta be watching the next vid. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never been no funny stuff with me. You watch or I don't get it. All right. Anyway, man, about to get up out of here. Oh, I just finished my 3-day no drinking. You know what I'm saying? I did another one. No drink. I just finished my 3-day juicing. Just did another one. Remember 2 weeks ago? And once I get back, I got another set of juices. Word, we not playing, yeah? 178. When I get back, I'll be 185. Anyway, shout out to the Wave Mom. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking me, liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter be. But that's not. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. What Your Beats. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my niggas.
New York was good. Stand up, it's your boy Max Bigger Belly. I know y'all forgot about me, but I'm back like I left my car keys. Ow. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. And I got a lot of eyes on. Yes, I do. You ain't got to turn the lights on. No, you don't. You exquisite grease, so cute. Looking like you're supposed to. top of your girl, I got a screaming die. One time for them faces, bees. Keep the loudest of the loudest and it stink like pee. Ooh, about to black out on some Zans. Wake up and do it again. If you afraid to get damn, please keep your feet in the sand. Homie P Dice with the man. Need must I say it again? Homie P Dice with the man. They look outside and now scram. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. And I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got some lights on. You exquisite, great, so cute. Looking like you're supposed to. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. Dice rolling. Look how my ice frozen. She fried my hair like Malcolm X. This shit looks white, don't it? Don't get your wife stolen. That pussy like Poland. These niggas change soon as they see checks. That shit is quite bogus. Now me, oh, I'm nothing like them. I pop out that coupe and like them. Asking where I'm at, I'm right here. Asking where I'm at, I'm right here. 100K and that's a bad week. Got me feeling like an athlete. And I got a lot of eyes on. You ain't got some lights on. You exquisite, great, so cute. Looking like you're supposed to.
When they talking about when he's not, I don't never feel like I'm underrated. First of all, everything I got, I work for. I wasn't given to me. You know what I'm saying? And you just gotta keep working hard.
Everything y'all niggas do, I don't do. I do the other thing. Everything y'all niggas go across the street that way, I'm going up. Holla at your boy. I do other things, man. I don't do what y'all
That's the
niggas.
streets. Who's the hottest? Nigga, bar for bar, look for look, bitch for bitch. That's me, bro.